Tie-dye is traditionally called bandhani or bandhej print in India. In this, a piece of cloth is tied with a thread or rubber band and then it is dyed. So let's make a tie and dye. For this you will need a piece of cloth or t-shirt, thread, gram seeds and turmeric powder or haldi. For this I am randomly going to place gram seeds from inside and pinch it and tie it with the help of a thread. You can even use a piece of wool or rubber band. Keep in mind not to use any color thread as there are chances that the color might transfer onto the cloth. Here I used black thread. After you tie grams and are happy with the pattern, then go ahead and tie thread once again around each gram. In this way you will get a double circle pattern. Again leave some space and tie the thread. It will look a little messy, but once we dye it, the end result will be really nice. Dip your cloth in regular water and rinse. Now let's move on to the kitchen. I used turmeric, which has a beautiful natural color to it. I first set the water to boil and then added 4 teaspoons of turmeric powder to the boiling water. Once it is boiled, put the tied cloth in the water and stir it occasionally for 2 minutes so that it catches the color. Then take out the cloth and rinse it with running water. Now let it dry. Once it's dry, open up the thread. Catch hold of the thread and similarly open all the threads. Isn't this beautiful? You can use your creativity and make a lot of different patterns. So that's it for this video, and do hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.